What if the buildings could repair themselves? What if an airplane could mend its minor damages during a flight? What if materials could mimic the body's healing capabilities? Such questions might seem like they're plucked straight from a science fiction novel, yet they're not. Welcome to the exciting world of self-healing materials. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, has been a source of inspiration for many scientific breakthroughs. In the realm of material science, scientists are looking at nature's regenerative processes to create self-healing materials. We see this in the human body, where wounds heal and tissue regenerates. Scientists are now working on embedding this incredible characteristic into non-living materials. There are several techniques used to achieve self-healing in materials. One of them is called encapsulated healing agents. This involves embedding tiny capsules filled with repair materials into the material. When the material suffers damage, these capsules rupture and release their contents, filling the cracks or gaps that have formed. This method mirrors how our body sends platelets to a wound site to initiate healing. Another method is intrinsic healing. Here, the material itself possesses self-reorganizing properties. When the material is damaged, its molecular structure rearranges to mend the damage, much like a starfish regrowing a lost limb. Then, we have the vascular networks. This technique is inspired by our body's circulatory system. Tiny microscopic channels are integrated into the material. These channels deliver healing agents to the site of damage, just as our blood vessels transport nutrients and healing agents to a wound. The potential applications of self-healing materials are vast and diverse. Imagine infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and buildings that reduce maintenance needs and costs because they can repair their own minor damages. Or consider the aerospace industry, where aircraft could potentially address minor damage during flight, enhancing safety and longevity. In the field of electronics, devices could have self-healing circuits, improving their lifespan and reliability. Even our smartphones could one day fix their own cracked screens. Then, there are the biomedical applications. Self-healing biomaterials could revolutionize wound healing and tissue regeneration. Bandages could actively aid in healing, and implants could adapt and repair themselves. In summary, self-healing materials are not a distant dream, but an emerging reality. They borrow from nature's incredible regenerative processes, using techniques like encapsulated healing agents, intrinsic healing, and vascular networks. These materials promise to revolutionize sectors from infrastructure to aerospace, electronics, and even biomedicine. The future holds a world where materials are not passive, but active participants in their own maintenance and longevity. It's a world where materials don't just exist, they live, they respond, they heal. Now, isn't that a future to look forward to?